Hello all, this is Nikumbh and welcome to Nielit Meaty Preparation Strategy video. So in this video we will discuss entire preparation strategy for your next Nielit exam, that is for 2022. Okay, and for both the branches, computer science and electronics paper, scientist B post is there, you know already. Before that, those who didn't fill the form, okay, fill the form. The last date is 18th of January. So fill the form properly. Already video is there, form filling video. Just watch that and then you can fill the form. Okay. So before starting our main strategy video, just we will discuss few things about Nielit, and let me give you some motivation, okay, before starting this preparation journey. So as already you know that this scientist B post is very special post of Nielit, which is of group A post. Very rare opportunity you will get in competitive exams to fight for group A post, okay. After IS, Nielit provide that opportunity you, and the salary will be as per level 10. Okay, which will approximately 80,000. This will be salary approximately 80 to 90. It will vary. So you can see here that group A post, then level 10. Okay, and the main word is scientist. In front of your name, scientist word you will get, right? Which you having, which respect will be there and everything will be there, and lots of things are there which you will get all the detailed information in the interview with scientist B. So in the description, I will, in the comment section, I will pin that link, okay, that video, and that video will motivate you. And just trust me, whenever you feel demotivated or you are feeling low in your preparation journey for Nielit Meaty, just watch that video, okay. Definitely it will again regain your energy, and then again you will prepare hard for exam, right? So this is the importance of this post, which is very much important for you to understand before starting anything, because our preparation should be sustainable, okay. It is not like you are starting today and tomorrow you will feel low, and then tomorrow and then after 1 month you will skip, you will just quit the preparation. It is not like that. If you are serious to get job in 2022, then this is the best opportunity for you. Now the next, let's discuss about our vacancies which we having this year, that is 2022. Okay, just 5 to 6 days are left, but still, so less vacancies are there. Yes, it's less. As you can see that for electronics 7 vacancies total, but if you see category wise, then definitely 5 vacancies for UR, ST1 and OBC1. Yes, less vacancies are there, and for ST and OBC candidates, definitely it will be challenging for you guys. Computer science only 6 vacancies for UR, OBC 2, EWS 1. Okay, ST, SC don't have vacancies, so definitely you need to apply in open category. So you will fight with open guys. Okay, for OBC 2 vacancies and EWS 1 vacancy. Here for electronics there is no vacancy for EWS, so definitely you need to compete with general candidates, that is. So if you see this, then definitely vacancies are low, okay, but we need to work very hard to get this job. It is not easy, it seems like that, because vacancies are low. Competition will be definitely high for group A post, okay, as you already know. So your mindset should be like this, that you need to prepare very hard for this exam, seriously, sincerely, okay. Consistently, daily study is required, okay. Then only you can fill this form. Otherwise it is not like you will start the preparation when they will announce exam date, okay. It is not kind of exam this is. So that's why in the start only I am telling you, just prepare yourselves to work very hard for this exam, okay. Next, about scientist B paper, let's discuss few things. So first, level of paper. So paper level, okay, each year is different. If you compare paper of 2020, then it was different. Paper of 2018, it was different. Okay, 2021 paper, it was different. But generally, paper will be lengthy. Okay, whatever 3 hours you are getting, in that 3 hours, it will be challenging for you to select particular type of questions which require less time, and to select particular type of question, to skip particular type of question, those who take lots of time. Okay, so this is the challenging part of scientist B paper only. There is no other thing, and this guess or this assumption, or I can say this selection, you will get with your preparation. Okay, so the more you prepare seriously or more in depth, definitely you will get to know that which question you required less time or more time. Okay, this thing you will get after preparation only, so there is no need in that. Then the next thing, questions level will be numerical also plus theoretical also. Okay, it is the balance of the two things, theory and numerical. So while preparing, not only you will focus only on numerical, but also you need to focus on theory part as well. Okay, because theory is also as important as numerical. That's why to balance between numerical and theory is very much important thing, okay, for scientist B paper. And definitely 2 papers will be there for EC, that is electronics, and for CSE. Okay, so whatever paper you like, you can apply, whether you are from CSE, and if you want to apply in EC, it's okay, but you need to follow this syllabus. Okay, so just make sure this. And for vice versa, IT people, electrical paper also, you can fill any form, but you need to follow that syllabus. Okay, so this is all about your level of paper of scientist B. Then the most important thing is sectional cutoff. Okay, this is the most important thing, because here your paper pattern will be, you will get technical section, one section is technical and one section is non-technical. Okay, so there are 2 sections, each section having each O1 cutoff, okay, which is the basic cutoff you need to first satisfy. It is not like you will get here 70 and you will get here 20. Okay, for open, suppose you got here 70, which happens with many candidates in the last year, that is 2019 vacancy. So this will be total 90, which is good score. Okay, but here the basic criteria is not 20, it is 21, which is 50% marks for open. Okay, for OBC it is 40%, and for SC ST PWD it is 30%. So this is the compulsory criteria. First criteria you need to follow, you need to satisfy, then only after that you are eligible for merit cutoff. Okay, so for open already this thing you should know. Next is your expected exam date, which is the most famous question. So for now I can say you the tentative exam date will be June only. Okay, whether it is first, second, third, we don't know, but we will target first only. Okay, so we need to complete our syllabus in the till the last week of May month. So this is our target date, okay, at which we need to complete the syllabus for Nielit MITI exam, May last week, right? The next is exam pattern. As I already told you, you will get 180 minutes, that is 3 hours, okay, 0.25 marks, negative marking is there. Technical and non-technical, 2 sections are there, which you will get in your exam. Okay, technical having 78 questions, non-technical having 42 questions, and yes, that's it for this. And 1 mark you will get for a correction. Okay, negative marking is 0.25. Paper language is English only. Okay, now what you will do, this is the exam pattern. Okay, for our convenience, for our preparation, just let me divide these 2 sections into 3 sections, which I will do technical, then engineering mathematics, okay, and then your non-technical portion. Because see, engineering mathematics have high weightage, that is 9 to 10 questions you will get. Okay, we will just take 10 questions only from engineering mathematics out of 78. So technical having 68. Okay, now you will think why I am dividing this, because many candidates just focus on technical portion. Okay, they don't like engineering mathematics to study. That's why I am just separating this to make you understand that the weightage of engineering mathematics is high here. Okay, and compulsory you need to do this. Okay, because obviously without engineering mathematics you can't survive. That's it. So 10 questions from engineering mathematics, 68 and 42 will be here. Okay, now the distribution of these 42 questions is again depend on them. Okay, the variation is there in the each paper, so we can't predict anything. Just the main thing to secure the job, and you know that vacancy is less. The one and most important thing is we need to complete maximum syllabus. Okay, the coverage should be maximum, whether it is non-technical, whether it is engineering mathematics, whether it is technical. This is the only thing which you can do to, if you want to maximize your chances of selection in this 2022 year. Okay, because vacancies are less, that's why in 2019 there was 286 vacancies, so at that time it is not mandatory to do maximum syllabus, but now as you know that only 5 things are there. Okay, 5 vacancies are there for electronics, or I can say 7 and 9, total 16 vacancies are only there for both the papers. So that's why it's better we can just do maximum coverage. Okay, now the last thing is your high low weighted subjects of me. So now what I will do, unlike last year, I will not share this thing in the start only. Okay, what we will do this year, we will first complete the syllabus, and then after completing, when I will feel that it is the right time to share the things, I will share that high and low weighted subjects. Okay, because what happens that the variation in scientist paper is very high. Whatever, suppose if I am telling that this is high weightage, this is low weightage, okay, then 60% of it will follow, but 40% will be variable. Okay, about this 40% we are not sure. That's why in the start only I told you that maximum coverage should be there of syllabus, so that we can handle this 40%. Okay, because this 60% I know that 10 marks will be for mathematics and few subjects are there that we are having the fixed weightage, but this 40% we can't predict. It may be anything, okay, which happened in 2021 also. That's why I'm telling you that this thing I will share in after our periodic videos of strategy, so don't need to worry about that. Our first target and first only goal is to complete the syllabus properly in depth, okay, which is required, and definitely we will prepare for both your exam and interview. Okay, so already you know there is exam which having 85% of weightage and which having interview which is 15% of weightage, right? So now, as you know, there are only 16 vacancies, so our target is to achieve maximum marks here only. Okay, out of 85% we need to score maximum, so that our selection will be not depend on interview, because this thing is not in our hand. Okay, it is in the hand of other person. Is means lots of factors are there, so it's better to focus only on exam to score maximum. For your EDC 5 vacancies are there, for your CSE 6 vacancies are there, so your target should be to come in first 5 rank only. Okay, then only you will get the job, or you can maximize your chances of selection. Otherwise it's very difficult, and if you are in such situation where it is depend on interview, then it will be difficult for you. Okay, so that's why focus more on exam, be serious for exam preparation, and give your everything for exam preparation. Don't depend on interview. Just think that there is no interview, only exam is there, direct merit list will be there. Okay, like that. Now we will discuss about syllabus for your technical and non-technical. So first let's start with non-technical portion. So first here we have general awareness. Okay, so in general awareness what we have: history, geography, polity, economics, science, current affairs plus static GK we need to study. So this is the first subject. Then second we have quant, aptitude portion. In aptitude also you can see the topics what we need to study. So percentage, ratio, HCF, LCM, profit loss discount, number system, SICI, time work, board stream, pipe system, average, mensuration, 2D, 3D, time distance, edges, trigonometry and height distance. Okay, so this is the total syllabus of aptitude you need to study. Second is reasoning. In reasoning what we have: coding, decoding, classification, blood relation, direction test, number series, counting figure, missing figure. So means verbal, non-verbal. Okay, it is combination of that. Then here we have analytical part: statement, assumption, conclusion, course of action. Then DI, sitting arrangement, analogy and puzzle. Okay, this is the reasoning portion. Okay, now about English. So see, now in 2021 what happened, they didn't mention English in their syllabus, but in exam they do questions of English language. Okay, 3 to 4 question was there. So that's why this time I don't want to take risk, because vacancies are low, so we will do English also. Okay, and in English just basics required, because we don't require lots of things. Okay, just grammar rules required, so that you can answer error detection and fillers questions, then sentence improvement, sentence correction, all those you can answer just with the help of grammar rules. Then synonym, antonym, because words also they will ask you. Okay, then spelling identification they will also ask. Then idioms also they ask. Definitely I will share this miscellaneous later. Okay, for now English we will do for safety. Okay, because there is no bharosa of Nielit, they can do anything. Okay, that's why. For EC technical what we have, so total 11 subjects we will study. First is network theory, signals, analog circuits, data electronics, communication control system, EMT, COA, 8085, 8086 and 8051. So microprocessor and microcontroller combined, communication. Okay, here analog and digital obviously, and EDC. So in core electromagnetic communication EDC we have, and other subjects are common subjects, there is no need to worry. For CAC paper of technical, see, mathematics and non-technical portion is same. Mathematics also have little variation in CAC, but this is the syllabus for CAC paper, and that was for EC paper. Computer science, program data structure, algorithm, TOC, compiler, OS is there, database. Okay, information system and software engineering, computer network, digital logic, COA, and analog digital communication. So these are the 11 subjects for CAC branch. Obviously mathematics 12 subject for both, that is EC and CAC. So total 12 subjects are there for both the papers, EC and your CAC. Okay, now first I will discuss the phase 1 strategy of EC, and those who are from CAC, you can see below the timestamp of CAC. So just click on that and you can watch that part of the video. Okay, so EC people, now what is this meaning of phase 1? Okay, so entire preparation plan of 5 months I divided into particular number of phases. Okay, particular phases have one period, and you need to try whatever things I will discuss in this phase 1. Okay, your target to complete that thing in phase 1 only. This is the first target you have, so that with the help of this phase wise strategy, first advantage is that, okay, you will align with your syllabus, then you will not get distracted because your goal is clear that till this date I need to complete this much topics. Okay, so goal is clear, then there is no distraction. So this is the advantage of phase wise strategy. That's why this time little different we will do. I will just upload phase wise video for your Nielit MITI exam. Okay, so in the phase 1, what is the period of this phase 1? So definitely today is 22nd of December, so we will start from tomorrow. So 23rd of December to 18th of January, this is the period of phase 1. Okay, now what subjects we are including in this phase 1? So first we will include network theory. I am talking about technical. Okay, then second we will include signal system, and third we will include analog communication, not digital part, only analog part. So these are the 3 subjects we will include in technical syllabus. For mathematics and non-tech I will discuss later. Okay, so let's start with our detailed discussion of these 3 subjects. So first I will take with network theory. So as you know that we need to maximize our coverage. Okay, so what we have first is network graphs. So whatever graph theory chapter is there, you need to study that completely. Okay, in that how to find number of trees, your graphs, various graphs are there. Then incident cutoff matrix, cassette matrix. Okay, then fundamental circuit matrix, KVL equations, KCL equations, all those things you need to do. Then solution method, that is your KVL, KCL. Okay, just practice more problems of that, because fixed question here, from here fixed question they will ask you. Then network theorem, superposition, Thevenin, Norton theorem, maximum power, star delta, and steady state sinusoidal analysis using phasor diagram. Okay, here also we having linear constant coefficient differential equation. So this is the part of basically transient analysis. So transient analysis you need to do completely. After that, transient resonance will be there. So this chapter, resonance chapter, is more important for you, okay, to study. Then after that, Laplace transform you will do with in the transient only. Okay, in the starting part you will do. Then frequency domain analysis means your resonance part. Then 2-port network, okay, again important. And then driving point and transfer function. So this part also, at least basic you should know, because they may ask questions from this part also. Okay, obviously I will include in all the questions in our test series, because after test series whenever it is come, okay, you will get to know. But till then, in the preparation you should do all the things, because vacancy is less and we need to do more hard work. Okay, and last chapter is your state equations for network. So just we can identify the equations, okay, ABCD matrix from your KVL, KCL circuits. So this is the part of network. The weightage you can expect between 5 to 7 questions minimum 5 to maximum 7 it will go. Obviously they can ask more also, but we will take this range, okay, for our preparation. So this is very important marks. If they ask 5, then out of 5 you can score 5 marks. There is no problem in that. Okay, it may happen that 1 to 2 questions they may ask lengthy, but definitely it will be moderate level. There is no problem in that. The calculation will be there. Okay, that is the thing. Second subject is your signals system. So for signals also you can expect 5 to 7 questions. Okay, minimum 5, maximum 7. Also it may vary, but for our preparation we will consider this. So what we have in signal system, so just forget this. First you need to start with signals. Okay, basics of signals. What are the types of signals that are available for analysis purpose? Then properties of the signals. Okay, then your operations on signals. Then systems, basics of system. Okay, in that system you will do properties of system also. Then LTI system, very much important, because you can see here LTI system definition and properties they mention. Okay, also signal transmission to LTI system. So if you transmit exponential signal, then what will be the output? If you transmit a component your sinusoidal signal, then what will be the output? Like that you will do. Okay, so LTI system very much important. The only challenging part is signal system in this portion, that is your DFT, FFT, Fourier transform and Fourier series. Okay, so you may face problem in exam while attempting the questions from this topic. So that's why prepare very wisely for this topic. Also one topic is there, that parallel and cascade structure. So this is also very important, and you may face problem in this also. Okay, in exam I'm talking about, exam hall I'm talking about. Otherwise Laplace easy, no problem. Z transform easy, sampling theorem easy, no problem in that. Okay, frequency response, group delay, phase delay, no problem again. Then your LTI also easy, signal properties and operations are also easy. Okay, this time sure shot operation, from operation they ask I guess one question. So again always they ask basic from basics, there is no problem in that. Okay, the next subject, that is third subject, is your analog communication. So here, from here, just neglect this first point for now. It is not included in the phase 1. Okay, so I will just cut it down like this. Second, analog communication system. Here you need to do amplitude, frequency and phase modulation. All the modulation, demodulation techniques you need to do. All the circuits you need to study, whatever the circuit we use for modulation and demodulation of signal. Okay, then spectral analysis, obviously it is included in that only. Then super hetero and receivers, important topics. Elements of hardware, it is included in that modulation, demodulation circuits only. Then realization of analog communication system, same. SNR, okay, how to calculate amplitude modulation SNR, then angle modulation SNR, just remember this. Then noise calculation, so one chapter is there, noise analysis of this AM and FM, so you need to do that. Okay, and this fundamental information theory and channel capacity theorem, we will not also include this, so I will cut it right now. Okay, so from second point to 7th, this thing is included in the phase 1. Okay, this thing you need to complete till your 18th of January. Otherwise this first and 8th is not there. So this is the portion of communication, and from communication, that is from analog communication, you can expect somewhere between 3 to 4 questions. Okay, for only this part, 3 to 4 questions you can expect. So overall in phase 1, if you calculate this 3 questions, plus we will calculate minimum, so 5, 5, 10 and this 13. So we will study only 13 marks of technical out of 68. Okay, in phase 1. Okay, now let's move to the mathematics, which is having 10 marks weightage overall, and from that 10 marks you can expect here 2 to 3 questions. Okay, from probability. Now the thing is that the application of probability we will use in random variables in digital communication. So that's why this is much more important for you to study probability in the start, and that's why I put this probability and statistics in phase 1 only. Okay, this is the reason, because this thing we will require in your digital communication. What we have either sampling theorem, okay, basics of sampling theorem, easy. Conditional probability, very much important. Then mean, median, standard deviation, easy, important. Then random variable, in which we need to study discrete and continuous signals of random variable. Okay, then we have distribution, normal distribution, your Poisson, your binomial, normal distribution, like that. Okay, random distribution we need to study. And last, correlation and regression analysis. This is not very much important, but still we need to do it. Okay, like that. Now the next thing is non-technical portion. Okay, so in non-technical we will do first aptitude, in which we will start with percentage and ratio. Very much important, these 2 chapters for aptitude, because this thing we will use in other chapter also. That's why just pay proper attention here. Okay, just give time, we have time, and this is the starting only. Okay, basics very much important to clear, and to means hands, it's very much important to get hands on it. Okay, that's why, because that all this basic we will use later. Then HCF and LCM, these 3 chapters you will do from in aptitude portion. Reasoning, blood relation, only 1 chapter is there for you. Okay, then English, your target is to complete all the grammar rules. Okay, and daily words and idioms you will read from whatever resources I am taking you. General awareness, current affairs are there. So in current affairs we will start reading current affair from January month. Okay, for now we will keep that part, that is history, polity and all these things aside for now. Okay, whenever the perfect time comes I will tell you, but for now our target is to complete January month current affairs, right? So overall this is the phase 1 topics, you can say. And now we will discuss about the resources, what resources you can use for study. So now next is resources. So first we will discuss about technical. So for technical, now few students are new, so you are starting your preparation. Okay, if you have your engineering notes, then it's okay. Otherwise standard books are also there, which is recommended for GATE exam, that you can use. Okay, side by side handwritten notes also you will get from net. Everything is available on internet, so if you just search with handwritten notes for EC for any subject, that is network theory, you will get that things. Okay, so that handwritten notes are very much important for you, because from that you will get little theory, not very much theory is there, because that handwritten notes for GATE exam, and in GATE they didn't ask they don't ask much theory. Okay, but from that numerical point of view, that notes are important for you. So you will get Made Easy or Ace Academy notes are available, so you can refer out either of them. There is no problem in that. How to approach one problem, okay, what is the procedure to solve the problem, all the things you will get from there, from notes. Okay, so this thing will be there. Then for question practice, one book you need to purchase, that is GATE previous year book. Any publication, there is no problem. Again, Made Easy or Ace Academy, I prefer personally Made Easy, so whatever you want you can take. Okay, so GATE PYQ book is very much important, and whatever topics you will complete from the subject network theory, signal system, analog communication, you will start practicing 1 mark question only for now, for phase 1. Okay, whatever I'm telling you, just your job is to follow that, complete with sincerity, complete with confidence only. So only you will practice 1 mark question, and it is not like you will find the answer and done. No, just analyze the question, okay, how they ask questions, analyze the problem, and from one question you can get 3 to 4 concepts. Okay, that's why this GATE previous year practice is very much important for you. So just spend time with it. Okay, it is not like you will get 1 minute for one question. No, it is not required. Exam hall practice is not required right now. Right now our preparation mode is on, so we will prepare, we will try to collect the concept, we will study in depth. Whatever is required for Nielit we will do. Okay, because vacancies are less, hard work is more. Okay, now for engineering mathematics also similar thing you need to do. You need to purchase GATE previous year book. Okay, and from that also you can practice 1 mark. Engineering mathematics book, you will get all the branch questions. So for mathematics, for that 10 marks we don't need to do much things. Okay, from that one book practicing the questions we will get this thing. It's not much big deal for us, right? So 2 books for till now, for technical GATE previous year, and for non our mathematics GATE previous year. Now next for non-technical portion, for quant and reasoning, R.S. Agarwal book is there, very good book, no need to do. Okay, sometimes Nielit just direct copy paste the questions and they ask you the exam. So complete practice of R.S. Agarwal is must for Nielit. Okay, R.S. Agarwal aptitude one book, and R.S. Agarwal verbal and non-verbal for reasoning. These 2 books are there. Current affair you will read from our website only, apnagaronjob.org. Okay, in the description you will get the link, and that also you need to start from January, so no need to worry. In our Telegram of Apna Government Job, daily you are getting the links. Okay, so compulsory join that Telegram group. Next, English. For English, any book that having grammar rules you can use. Okay, there is no compulsion in that. Any books, lots, and sometimes on net only all the grammar rules are available of English. So definitely you will get the list. Just read and just start the questions. There is no problem in that. Okay. Now other things we have, that is your Telegram PDF. So daily Telegram PDF, how you can utilize this thing, right? So from today, just join our Apna Government Job main Telegram channel. Daily you can see daily there are PDFs are getting uploaded. So how you can utilize this? One PDF is of aptitude. Okay. Now those who already completed the syllabus of your quant, reasoning, English and general awareness for STQC, for previous Nielit exams or for other exams, they can directly start with this practice. There is no need to practice R.S. Agarwal again. Okay. Daily PDF enough for you. There is no need to worry about that, and definitely after our test series will be there after a few months, then you can practice that, right? So for those who are new, okay, just start with this. So just solve R.S. Agarwal. You can view this PDF also. Okay, suppose you complete percentage. So in PDF we have mixed question. 10 questions will be there of 10 topics. Suppose, okay, one question is of percentage. So you can solve this question like that, or just you can just view the questions. So you will get to understand how questions asked in the exam of computer exams, right? So in similarly, reasoning PDF is there. You can read or you can practice from that. Then the third PDF we have general awareness, which having your current affair. Okay, so from January 1st, what will be your job? To read current affairs from our website and then solve current affairs question from our PDF, daily PDF. Okay, this is the job from January 1st of 2022. Now the next PDF will be general studies, which is not required for now. Okay, so we will you can skip that or just don't download it. Next is your English PDF, which is very much important. Okay, now how to utilize this perfectly? So definitely 2 to 3 questions will be there of your grammar, based on grammar. Suppose sentence correction, fill in blanks like that. Okay, then you will get daily synonym and antonym also. Suppose syllabus what is there. Okay, so 3 to 4 synonym, 3 to 4 antonym is there. So total 8 words you're done with you. Okay, for one day. So like this slowly we need to increase our vocab. Then only we can attempt the questions of your synonym and antonym. Okay, that's why slowly increase your vocab. That's why daily with no fail you need to view all the questions of synonym and antonym in our Telegram PDF. Okay, next spelling questions also you will get, because one spelling question also this year they ask just to miss what is the correct spelling, like that, easy question. Okay, so this thing also you will get. So whatever Nielit will ask you, all the things of non-technical we have in your PDF. Okay, no need of extra resources, no need of anything, just for learning RS Agrawal for exam level, our PDF, that's it, simple rule. Okay, so yes, this is the end of your phase 1 strategy. Now you can directly move to daily routine timestamp. Okay, and I will meet you in next phase of this. Okay, now we will discuss about CSE, that is computer science paper, phase 1 strategy. So basically let me tell you first what is the phase 1. This time what we will do, okay, entire 5-month strategy, entire preparation strategy for your Nielit MITI exam I am dividing into phase wise strategy. Okay, so this is the phase 1 of that, miss one part of that which having one period. So because of this you have target that till this date we need to complete whatever topic I am mentioning here, you need to complete that. Okay, so with this you will get focused preparation, and obviously you need to see a focus, just follow that seriously, it required. So 1 point focus will be there. Okay, there is no distraction is that, because till this date your target will be to complete the syllabus. Okay, and periodically I will upload the videos of phase wise videos of till your exam date. Okay, there is no need to worry. So for this phase 1 strategy, the period is from tomorrow, that is today is 22nd of December. So from tomorrow, that is 23rd of December to 18th of Jan. So this is the phase 1 period. Okay, and now in this phase 1 what we are including, let's start with technical. So in technical I am including the first subject, that is your C programming and data structures. Okay, this is the first subject I am including. Second, you need to do algorithms. Okay, 2 subject in technical, C, DS, you can consider 3 also, but still I will consider 2. These 2 subject we will do in technical. For mathematics and for non-technical I will discuss later. Okay, now let's start our detailed syllabus for these 2 subjects. So combinedly I am just showing here in the first, in this only. So first is your programming and data structure. So you can see here topics which are included for this year. So programming in C, so basics of C language you need to do. Okay, programs they ask compulsory. If they didn't ask in exam, then definitely for the interview, okay, this will help for you. So programming you need to do compulsory. Okay, basic, that not required very high level programming, because obviously that you will learn while doing job. Functions, recursion, then parameter passing. Okay, scope binding, data array stack, cube, very much important topics, linked list, trees, binary search tree, binary heaps. Then object oriented means OOPS concept are there of Java. Then your inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. So this is the syllabus of your programming data structure, that is first technical subject. What number of questions you can expect from this? Somewhere between 5 to 7 questions. Okay, obviously it may vary, but we will consider for our preparation 5 to 7 questions, minimum 5, maximum 7 questions from programming and data structures. Okay, and this is the basic thing, that's why we are doing it in the phase 1 strategy. Then next subject you will do after this is algorithms. So for algorithm analysis, asymptotic notation, whatever the things are here, all the things are important. Okay, because greedy approach, dynamic programming, divide and conquer, T and graph reversal, lots of things are there. Spamming tree, shortest path, hashing, sorting, okay, searching, anything they can ask. And very much important topics, basic concept of complexity also, PNP, NP and NP complete. So all those things which are whatever is mentioned is here is required for us. Okay, because in the start only what I mentioned that we require maximum coverage, and this is the base of your computer science. So that's why program data structure algorithm, you can't keep one topic in option. Okay, just try to complete the whole thing, which is whatever it is mentioned here. Obviously some topic you may fail difficult, so you can skip that, but at least try to do that. Okay, don't just see that and just skip. No, just try. If you are getting, it's okay, otherwise obviously you don't have any option, so skip it. So this is the part for technical. In mathematics there are 3 subjects, or I can say 3 chapters we will do, not subjects, 3 chapters we will do in the mathematics subjects. So obviously you know the 10 marks weightage of mathematics. Okay, so from these 3 combinedly you can expect somewhere between 3 to 4 questions out of this 10 of mathematics. So what we have, set theory and algebra, so basics of set relation function, then partial order lattice group. Boolean algebra you can do in detail also, but if you complete here, then there is no problem. Then the next chapter is your combinatorics, and in combinatorics we have permutation, combination, then counting, summing, generating function, recurrence, relation, and asymptotic. Not much very much important, because from here permutation, combination is very much important, but still this thing also we need to do. Okay, we can't skip this. Then the next, which is very much important, that is probability. So in probability, the most important topic, conditional probability problems. Then mean, medium, mode, standard deviation, easy and important. Then random variable, most easy, and here just try to complete the continuous part, continuous signal part of random variable. Then we have distribution, normal, exponential, Poisson, binomial, uniform, all the distribution and their expression and problems you need to do. Okay, so these are the three things, three chapters we will do in phase 1 of mathematics. Let's move to non-technical portion. So in non-technical we are taking first aptitude, and in aptitude we will do percentage, ratio, HCF and LCM. Okay, then for reasoning we have blood relation, only one chapter we will do in phase 1. Okay, then English grammar rules and daily words you will read. I will show you, I will definitely tell you what are the resources to read, you can use, but daily words for synonym antonym part. Okay, then idioms you can do daily. And in general awareness, just for now we will keep aside that history, geography and everything. Okay, we will only focus on current affairs, and that also you will start from January month, January 2022. Okay, just forget for this 5 to 6 days, just let them go, and then after that you can start fresh of New Year's current affairs. Okay, January 2022. So this is the syllabus for your non-technical portion you need to do. Okay, now let's discuss resources. Okay, from what you will start the preparation. So first let me come to our technical part. So now those who are starting new, okay, their first computer exam of this Nielit, what if you have your notes of engineering, then is good, there is no problem. Otherwise you can refer the books also, standard books which are recommended for GATE exam. Okay, that also you can refer, but definitely that are big books and lots of theory is there. Okay, that is not required actually. So what you can do, you can get short handwritten notes. Okay, not short notes, handwritten notes from internet you will get. So just search on internet, you will get from any academy, Medicine or Ace Academy. Okay, students who make all the notes of the topics, they upload it on the internet, so you will get that, and from that you can learn the approach or ways to identify or to solve the problems. Okay, for theory part, definitely in the start only I told you that theory is also important for Nielit. So for theory part, if you read something from your books, standard books, then definitely it will help you. Okay, not just for exam but also for interview. So, and for question practice, okay, after reading and after understanding, after getting the concept, for question practice, one book you need to purchase, that is GATE previous year book. This is the compulsory book you need to purchase for GATE previous year, and from that, suppose now you complete C and data structure, then you will solve the problems of 1 mark question only. Okay, so in phase 1 we have only 1 mark question you will solve from GATE previous year book, definitely last 31 year, last 30 year, whatever your branch having. Okay, all those things sets you need to have, and from that you need to practice 1 mark. Now while solving the question, it is not like you solve the question in 1 minute and you check the answer, like no, just try to learn the things. Okay, definitely from one question you can get 3 to 4 new concepts. Okay, definitely from GATE questions. So this is the lovely thing about GATE question, that's why I'm telling you to just spend time on that. We have enough time and we are starting now. This is the basic thing, whatever the chapters we are included in phase 1, this is a basic chapter. Okay, so to have proper grip on that is very much important. So just don't means it's okay if this instead of 18 January, if you complete your things on 25th of January, it's okay. It is not like this, but you need to try to complete on 18th to maintain the discipline of preparation. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, there's nothing other things. So just grab the concept, just for spend time on question. Okay, just analyze and make your proper notes. Like there's only for mathematics also, you will do same. GATE previous year book, one book you need to purchase. In that all the branches questions, mechanical, civil, all the things you will get, and that book is enough for your 10 marks of mathematics. Okay, no need of any other resources for this, I am telling you. So just focus on that, there is no need to worry. This is all about your non-technical technical part. Now we will discuss about technical. So in technical we have quant. So for quant and reasoning, R.S. Agarwal book is best for Nielit. Okay, sometimes they directly copy paste the questions, so you can refer this book. So RS Agrawal for quant and reasoning. Okay. Then for English, any book that you have, basic books also required is good. Okay. But just the condition is it should have all the grammar rules. Okay. All these grammar rules you will get from internet also. All the lists you will get from internet. So definitely everything is available now. Just make you proper use of it. Right. Current affair you will read from our website. In the description you will get the link. Okay. So just follow that on our website. And yes. Now the other thing, that is your Telegram PDF. How to utilize this Telegram PDF perfectly, right? Which is the most important part of your preparation journey. So first, daily we are on our Telegram channel. Okay, we are uploading PDF of your aptitude, reasoning, general awareness, general studies, and your English part. Now those who are starting new, okay, you can't you don't need to solve this PDF, because obviously mixed question will be there of total syllabus. Okay, suppose you are starting percentage, so here you will get variety of questions, not for percentage only. So for now, just join the group. Compulsory you need to join the group and just view that questions. No need to solve or no need to take panic. Okay, like that. Just focus on your this phase 1 strategy, and if you get questions from these 3 topics here, then you can solve, right? Otherwise, no need to worry. Similar for reasoning, similar for everything. Those who already completed the syllabus for previous Nielit exam or previous any exam, definitely daily aptitude PDF, reasoning PDF, every PDF you need to solve. Okay, daily 10 questions you need to solve this. Just make one habit. It is enough for your exam. There is no need to worry about anything. Okay, no need to practice from RS Agrawal if you are comfortable with all the quant topic. Whatever topic you feel you can say difficult, just study that. Otherwise, for practice purpose, this is the best. Okay, so RS Agrawal you will use for preparation, and for exam level you will use this PDF, because this PDF having the questions of all the computer exams. Okay, whether it is state, whether it is central, it is combination of all the things. Okay, we are giving to you. That's why make proper use of this. The next is your general awareness, which having current affair questions. So this thing you will view from January month. Okay, general studies means your history, geography, polity, like that. So skip it for now. In phase 1 we don't need to consider this, so you can just don't download it. Okay, next is your English, which is very much important. So in English we have 3 to 4 questions of your grammar. We will test your grammar in 3 to 4 questions. Suppose 2 to 3 questions you have of synonym and antonym. Suppose syllabus is the word, then definitely from the syllabus. Okay, we will give 3 to 4 synonym, then you will get 3 to 4 antonym. So total 8 words completed here. Okay, so slowly we need to increase our vocabulary. It is not like in one day you can read 1000 words. No, slowly daily from tomorrow. If you do, then definitely in exam there are maximum chances of you guys can attempt that question as compared to all over India candidates that giving the Nielit exam. Okay, that's why from tomorrow slowly 1 word, 2 word daily enough. That is no problem. So whatever words are included in this PDF, just follow that. Okay, no need of other words, because definitely this words is the combination of all the exams that I am giving you. Okay, and then we have spelling questions also. Means whatever Nielit can ask you, everything is available here. For non-tech person, no need to worry. Okay, for technical, GATE PYQ, most important 1 mark for now. And definitely in upcoming strategies, phase-wise strategy video, I will discuss the things. Right now, if you have any query, any doubt, then definitely you can share with me. This is the phase 1 strategy for computer science. Okay, if you feel anything, just feel free to ask me on Instagram. You can DM me on WhatsApp also, there is no problem. Okay, you have Apna Channel WhatsApp number, so just keep it with you. Okay, now the next thing, that is timetable and daily routine. So what daily routine I am expecting from you guys to achieve our goal, that is Nielit Meety Scientist B post, right? So see, now those who are new, they may feel little overburdened by whatever things I included in phase wise, but this is very little part. Okay, no need to do the things. Definitely it is you, if you are doing for first time. So for first week, at least try to study for 4 to 6 hours. Then slowly increase your hours. Okay, no need to rush. Then no need to sit on the first day for 10 hours to 15 hours and then on second day 0. Okay, no like that. Slowly you need to increase. You need to build your stamina to sit for more hours and to complete the syllabus. Okay, so for now, those who are starting and those who are already in the preparation journey, you don't need anything. Okay, so what you are those who are new, what you can do, and what I'm expecting from all, basically to technical. Okay, then mathematics, then your quant, reasoning, English, and general awareness. Okay, so start at least 1 to 2 hours daily for technical from tomorrow. Then for mathematics also you can give daily 1 hour. Okay, if you are not beginner, then definitely you can increase your hours. I'm just talking for beginner, those who are starting, those who are fresher. Then aptitude also 30 minutes daily enough. Reasoning also 30 minutes daily enough. In phase 1 for reasoning only you need to do blood relation. Obviously it will take 2 hours maximum. Okay, so in 2 to 3 days you will complete reasoning part. Then English also 30 minutes, no need to worry, or 1 hour maximum if you want. General awareness you will start from January, so from January just 30 minutes to read current affairs from our website and then just solving the questions of current affairs from our PDF. So hardly it will take 30 minutes maximum to take notes also. Okay, so you can see here in the start 4 to 5 hours. Okay, this 2 3 this 4 and 5, 4 to 5 hours are enough for you preparation, maximum 5 to 6 hours. Then slowly for first week at least try this. Okay, for first week, complete week, and then after that you can increase your study and then you will get to you will get used to it. Okay, so like this I want your daily routine. Means the main purpose of this is what? We need to take care of all the sections, whether it is your technical, whether it is your mathematics, whether it is non-technical section. Okay, it is not like you will first complete technical, then you will start mathematics after 3 to 4 months. No, it is not like the thing, because our target is to get rank. Okay, it is not like just to crack the exam or crack the basic cutoff. It is not the target. We want rank, then only we will get selection. Simple thing. So that's why each section, each topic is very much important for you guys. Okay, that's why we are doing this. We are simultaneously means we are daily targeting, we are daily hitting each of the sections, which is very much important, right? So yes, you can modify also, but I will recommend this thing to you because I am used to it. Okay, I will recommend to you. Otherwise it's up to you whether you are comfortable. You can modify your routine. Okay, now if you have any query, any other doubts, then definitely you can DM me on Instagram and you can comment, or you can message me on WhatsApp also. Okay, so now this is the phase 1 strategy. I will meet you in the next upcoming videos, that is phase 2, phase 3, like that. And till then just join our Telegram group, which is the dedicated group for Nielit exam. Okay, discuss the doubts and do healthy discussions. Okay, no need to send or forward anything because you will get blocked by the bot. That's why. So if you are serious, then join our community. Otherwise no need to worry. Okay, so with this I'm signing off. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, all the best and good night.